So now, for possibly the most difficult problem that you could get in terms of something with these volumes, it would be something like this, because the worst shape to deal with is a triangular prism, and this is two triangular prisms, one cut out of the other one. So first of all, what's my plan? Well, I need to take the larger triangular prism, and I need to subtract the smaller triangular prism. Okay, prisms are area of the base times the height. So I'm going to have in my formula. The larger triangle prism is 6 tall. The smaller triangular prism is 2 tall. All right, so here's the larger triangular prism's height right there. There's the smaller triangular prism's height right there. Okay, and I just did that wrong. So let me erase that, and let's pretend that never happened. That is the height of the triangle, which is the base. Okay, that's not really. So the height of the triangle of the big prism is 6, and the height of the triangle of the little prism is 2. The base of the big prism triangle is 9, and the base of the little triangle of the prism is 3. Okay, so that is the shape, and remember, base, for a prism, it has to have 2 bases that are identical and parallel, they don't touch. Okay, and in a triangular prism, the base is the triangle. Okay, so 1/2 times 9 times 6 for the big triangular prism, 1/2 times 3 times 2 for the little one for the base. Now, how tall is he? And you can't see my hands, but I'm taking them and I'm moving them and tipping them so they're one over the other. You can take that triangular prism and stand it up so that it has, I'm going to highlight this triangle right here for now, so that that triangle is sitting on the ground, and then that would make this triangle in the back here float up in the air. Okay, how tall would it stand then? It would stand 5 tall. So each of these prisms would be 5 tall. I know this is complicated to picture. I just almost screwed it up in my head. The good news is, because you're multiplying, if you happen to screw up the order that these dimensions go in, it would still come up with the same answer. All right, so we want to be able to work our way through this, but if we did mess up like I was about to and put 6 for the height of the prism, it would have been okay for the big one, because the big one is 6 tall the other way. All right, but we want to try to remember it's area of the base times the height. The base of a triangular prism is the triangle. Okay, and the height is how far apart of a triangle. So let's put this in the calculator. So it's 1/2 times 9 times 6 times 5 minus 1/2 times 3 times 2 times 5, which gives me 120 for a volume. So I had some stumbles there. I was going to redo the video, but you know what? It's a good idea that you see that these triangular prism questions are difficult, and you have to really think about what you're doing.